Moving from El Paso to Coppell is a big step, and one of the first things people want to understand is the cost. The price can vary, but once you know what movers look at, it becomes much easier to plan your budget.
Since El Paso and Coppell are in different parts of Texas, distance plays a major role. Movers may factor in mileage, fuel, travel time, driver hours, and the route between your pickup and delivery locations. A one-bedroom apartment will usually cost less than a larger home because there are fewer items to load, transport, and unload. The more furniture, boxes, and appliances you have, the more time and space your move may require. For longer moves, the total weight or volume of your shipment can affect the estimate. That's why it helps to sort through your belongings before moving day and avoid paying to transport things you no longer need. Professional packing can save time, especially if you have a busy schedule or fragile items. Just remember that boxes, wrapping materials, and packing labor may be included as an added service in your moving quote. Movers also look at how easy it is to load and unload. Stairs, elevators, narrow hallways, limited parking, apartment rules, or a long walk from the truck can all affect the time needed for the move. If you're moving a piano, safe, large sectional, antique furniture, gym equipment, or fragile electronics, mention it early. These items may need extra handling, tools, or additional movers. Moving at the end of the month, on weekends, or during peak moving season can limit availability. Planning ahead gives you more time to compare options and choose a moving date that works better for your budget. Before booking, ask what the quote includes. Check for labor, transportation, fuel, packing materials, basic coverage, and possible extra charges. A detailed estimate makes it easier to compare moving companies fairly. A cheap quote can be tempting, but the best mover is the one that fits your schedule, your inventory, and the level of service you need. Look for clear communication and experience with similar moves.
Understanding your El Paso to Coppell moving cost can help you prepare with more confidence. For more moving price details and relocation guidance, visit 3movers.com and read the full guide.